Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to show how to crochet a muffler. For this you required some items like a crochet yarn, a crochet hook and a measuring tape. That's all you need, and for now let's get started. First make a slip knot in chain 200. Okay, here I chained 200, and after chaining 200 the chain measures around 50 inches as of now without stretching. Moving on to next step, now we have to crochet 2 chains extra. So in total you will be having 202 chains. Moving on to round first, we have to skip the first 2 chains and make double crochet in remaining 200 chains. This is how your project will look like after making 200 double crochet for the first round. Now chain 2 and turn your project. Now for round 2 we have to first skip the 2 chains. Okay, these are the 2 chains, we are gonna skip them. Okay, and in the third one we have to make double crochet in back loops only. Let me show what are back loops first. Okay, so this is how it looks. These are called the back loops. These are our normally loops in which we crochet. We don't have to crochet in them, we have to crochet in the back loops only. So for round 2 skip the first 2 chains and make double crochet from third stitch till the end. After making 200 double crochets in the round 2, you have to again repeat the process, that is chain 2 and turn your project. Start the round 3rd, that is skip 2 chains and make double crochet back loops only in remaining 200 chains. Then again chain 2 and turn your project. That's all you have to do for round 3rd to 13. At the end of the 13th row, you have to chain 1 at the end to close the loop and cut the yarn. That's how we did it in the video. Now for that little threads which are coming out of the muffler, you can either cut them by making a knot or you can crochet them inside, as I am doing it in the video. And yeah, these tiny threads we can cut them directly. Yes, our muffler is ready now. Let me show you by measuring it. It's 6 inches wide. For this I made 13 rows, and in length it measures exactly 60 inches. As you know, when we have started with the base, that is foundation chain, with chain only without stretching it measures 50 inches, but now after completing it measures exactly with 60 inches. So yeah, that's all. We have completed our muffler, and if you liked the video and liked our tutorial, then please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, I have shared a screenshot of how much time I took to complete this muffler. Hope you like it. Thanks you guys.